Rudy, what's happening?
We're going to take a look at this job. This job because the lady, I don't know, she's in a wheelchair, and I gotta see it before I commit to replace this unit. It's like it's gonna save me a lot of headache. I got this job. I want to see it because the lady, she's talking, and she's up there. Sometimes I think that she don't have no idea. She wants to switch to gas, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. So that's why I want to see it from oil to gas. So I want to make sure that I'm doing the right thing. I don't want to promise something, then I come over here and then, hey, wait a minute, I cannot put a gas burner over here. I don't have enough space, or I don't have could be anything. So sometimes better be safe than sorry. I should be able, something like that. You gotta see it. Specifically when you deal with gas. I'm gonna be able to vent it to the outside if I get a 90%. I'm gonna be able to vent it outside. I don't know. She say, yeah. But how about if she got gas tank outside, or propane, or generator, or garage over, or AC, a whole bunch of stuff going on. So, all right. So let's go over there and take a look. Nice countryside. Nice color. So stay tuned. Coming up, we're gonna check it out together. All right. Okay, Rudy. I'm gonna enjoy the ride. I love this gun. Look at that. Check this out. This nice color. Check this out. Beautiful. It's beautiful. No, Connecticut, beautiful. Yep. November 1st. Man, Christmas around the corner. All right, Rudy. Coming up. Let's check this place out. See if we could put a propane. It's gonna be a propane furnace. 90% propane furnace we're trying to put in this house. I don't know, somebody told her that she could go with the propane gas. So we see if we're gonna be able to do it. All right.
I have to get some bulbs in there.
It's okay. No, I got the light. I got the flashlight. Can't believe it, just look at the left of this thing like that. Look at that. What a mess, man. Wow. She want to replace this. They left the blower outside. Look at that. Wow. Heat exchanger's crack. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. Get you a real close look. Let me see if I could. Yep. It's crackers for sure. But you don't do the stuff like that, man. Right down. Look at that. Somebody came over here and So let me take some number down over here.